Good afternoon. Welcome all of you. I hope you all are fine. Now we can move to your class. The last class I gave some work. Have you completed? All of you, have you completed? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Now today we discuss the textbook activities like that. Please listen to me. In your previous class we are discussed the features of living things and non-living things. What are the different features of living things and non-living things and natural things, man-made things? The next, today we discuss the textbook activities. Please listen to me. First I write some words. Please listen here. The first activity, elephant, tree, cup, bottle, pencil, rose, comb, paper, rocket, sun, river, mountain. Please listen here. First I write some words: elephant, tree, cup, bottle, pencil, rose, comb, paper, rocket, sun, river and mountain. Please listen. First we have to classify these things: natural things and man-made things. The first textbook activities, please listen here. The page number 108. Page number 108. To classify these things, the natural things and man-made things. The first class already discussed what is natural things and what is man-made things. Okay, all of you understand? Then natural things means the things which are found in nature, that is natural things. The things which are made by human beings are called man-made things. Some words are here. The first, you had to classify natural things and man-made things. Please listen here. What is natural and what is man-made things? Please listen. All of you look at this. Okay. First I classify natural things and man-made things. Natural things. Tell me, what are the natural things? First one, yes, elephant. The second one, tree. Third one, rose. Fourth one, sun, river, mountain. Please listen here. The natural things are elephant, tree, rose, sun, river and mountain. These are natural things. Okay, understand? The next one, man-made things. The things which are made by human beings are called man-made things. The examples are, please listen here, man-made things. The first one, paper, rocket. The next, cup, bottle, pencil. Next, comb. Listen here. The natural things are elephant, tree, rose, sun, river, mountain. And man-made things, paper, cup, bottle, rocket, pencil and comb. Understand? Okay. I repeat once more. What are natural things and what are man-made things? The things which are found in nature are called natural things, and things which are made by human beings are called man-made things. The first textbook activities, the classification. All of you understand? Yes. The next, in your textbook, page number 109, please listen here. The word search. Okay, this word search, the find out living things and non-living things. In this word search, the 5 living things are there. 5 living things and 5 non-living things. Okay. The second activities. This second activities. Now, the next activities, we have to discuss some questions. Page number 109, they discuss some questions. The first question, please listen here. What are natural things? Already discussed what are natural things. Please listen to me. The things which are found in nature are called natural things. The second question, what are man-made things? Things which are made by human beings are called man-made things. Okay, all of you clear? The next third question, are all natural things living things? Are all natural things living things? Yes or no? Are all natural things living things? No. Some natural things, example, sun, moon, river, these are non-living things. Okay, some natural things like that, sun, river, moon, soil, that are non-living things. The some natural things are non-living things and some are living things. Clear? Then the last question, fourth question, why do living things eat? Why do living things eat? All living things eat. Because eat, yes, to live and grow. To live and grow. And the last question, a car cannot reproduce. The last class we discussed what is reproduction. The process of producing young ones, that is reproduction. My question is, a car cannot reproduce. A car cannot reproduce. Why? Why? Yes, very good. A car cannot reproduce. Why? A car is a non-living thing. Okay, car is a non-living thing. Write in your notebook these all. Find out these answers and write in your notebook. Okay, these are the textbook activity. Now, please listen here. In this lesson, the important thing like that, what are the different features of living things? In your previous class, we are discussed about the features of living things. Already discussed. All of you study well. Okay, we can revise once more. We can revise once more in this lesson. Please listen to me. What are the different features of living things? Okay, the first one, living things need food. Living things need food. All living things need food to live and to grow. Okay, all living things need food to live to grow. Okay, the second one, living things breathe. Living things breathe. All living things breathe. All living things breathe. We can breathe our nose. Plants breathe through tiny openings, that is called stomata. We can discuss, the already discussed, and fish breathe through gills, and insects breathe through a body surface, tiny openings called a body surface on the tiny openings on their body surface, that is called spiracles. Okay. Now all living things breathe. All living things breathe. And third one, living things move. Living things move. Okay. We can move to, for example, we can move to, now please listen here, these are the different features of living things. The first one, living things need food, and living things breathe, and living things move. The next one, all living things grow. All living things grow. Okay, all living things grow. A small plant grows into a big tree. Okay, a small plant grows into a big tree. The next one, living things feel. All living things feel. The last class we discussed the different examples. Touch me not, an ice cube. When you touch an ice cube, your fingers feel cold. Okay, the first class, in your previous class we already discussed. When you touch an ice cube, your fingers feel cold. Okay. The last feature, all living things reproduce. All living things reproduce. What is reproduction? What is reproduce? Yes, the process of producing young ones, that is reproduction. Then all living things reproduce. All of you understand? These are the features of living things. Let's learn about what are the differences between living things and non-living things. What are the differences between living things and non-living things? Then all living things do these features. Okay. But non-living things, please listen here, non-living things do not show these features. Okay. These are the difference. Now the important thing, then all of you study well, what are the different features of living things. This next one, what are the difference between natural things and man-made things, and what are the difference between living things and non-living things. The more examples, find out more examples. The next one, the textbook activities like that. Then all of you done well. The next, in this lesson, the first we have to familiar the first picture like that. In this picture, the many things are there. First you classify these things, natural things and man-made things in this textbook picture. The next, what are the difference between natural things and man-made things, and living things and non-living things? Then what are the features? Okay. The next, I write some words. Please listen here. New words. Okay. New words. Please listen to me. New words. The first one, natural. The first word, natural. What is the meaning? As found in nature. As found in nature. What is the meaning? Natural, as found in nature. The things that are found in nature. Okay. Then second word, breathe. We already discussed what is breathe. We can breathe through our nose. Okay. What is the meaning? Take in oxygen. Take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Please listen to me. Breathe, what is the meaning? Take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, including, please listen, human beings and animals do. Please listen. Breathe. We can breathe through our nose. Okay. All of you understand what I say? Take in oxygen. Take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, as human beings and animals do. Okay. The third one, reproduce. What is reproduce? What is the meaning? Produce. Produce another living thing of the same kind. Please listen. These are the new words. The first one, natural. Natural, as found in nature. As found in nature. The second one, breathe. Breathe. Take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, as human beings and animals do. Okay. The third one, reproduce. Third one, reproduce. Produce another living of the same kind. Another living thing of the same kind. These are the new words are in your textbook. The page number 108. Then all of you study well. All of you study well. Okay. The next activity, today we discuss some questions. Questions. Then what are natural things? What are man-made things? And are all natural things living things? Are all natural things living things? And the next question, why do living things eat? Why do living things eat? And the last one, a car cannot reproduce. A car cannot reproduce. Why? These are the questions. Then find out your answer. Okay. Find out your answer, these answers, and study well. Okay. The next, the page number 109, the word search, find out 5 living things and 5 non-living things are there. And find out 5 living things and 5 non-living things. In this lesson, the important thing, all of you study well, what are the features of living things. I repeat once more, again once more, please listen to me. What are the features of living things? The first and second class already discussed what are the features of living things. Living things need food, living things breathe, living things move, and all living things grow, and living things feel, and the last one, living things reproduce. Okay. Then the first I give some assignment, one assignment for you. Please listen to me. The textbook activities, make a chart, the page number 109. Please listen to me. Cut out pictures of living things and non-living things from all newspapers, magazines and calendars. Okay, cut out pictures of living things and non-living things from all the newspapers, calendars and magazines. Now make a chart by pasting these pictures on a chart paper. Make a chart by pasting these pictures on a chart paper. What is the picture? The living things and non-living things. Then all of you ready? Okay. Then all of you study in this lesson the important thing and natural things, man-made things, living things, non-living things. Okay? Ready well? Yes. Today finish my class. Then all of you ready well, study well and see you next class. Thank you.